So I'm gonna try this extra hot wing. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it too.
Right.
Oh, fat. Spice it up.
My man.
Big fat.
Nigga, you about to be.
Oh, no, man.
Big fat.
Lord, G. Get that in. Ooh, that's mean.
I'm always gonna do that.
Hot. Fuck. Oh.
Sorry, bro.
He's fucked.
Hold it for 30 seconds.
Do it. That's a finish the wing.
Yep.
What's the thing?
It burns. Look, and then you can't lick your fingers.
He added hot sauce. Who the fuck does that?
And you see, I ate 3 of those.
I had hot sauce to my joint, bro.
It was too hot, man.
Bro, doesn't shit hurt? You start laughing, bro. Nigga, if I would've ate that shit, I would've died. Yo. Turn off the camera, bro. Turn off the camera,
What you want?
Alright, guys. So today is my boy Mama's birthday. Today's my boy's Mama's birthday, so we're gonna do something for his birthday. First, have to get ready. Let's came back home from working out, tracking, etc. So we'll take a shower, get changed, and we'll do
I'm coming home to your tender sweet loving. You're my one and only one. The world is a taste in my mouth, girl.
The first video I ever made was a smash or pass, right? But I never released it. If this video gets... How many likes for me to release a smash or pass? 1,000 likes? That smash or pass was wild. It was like...
It's gonna hurt people.
It's gonna hurt a lot. It might hurt, not a lot, it's gonna hurt a few feelings.
They got a lot.
And it might boost a few of you guys up.
It really doesn't matter because you're about to graduate.
Yeah, what's up for real? And for the smash or pass, alright? We did it. It was me, Mamadou, Musa, and Isaac, right?
Mamadou wasn't doing shit.
Yeah, Mamadou wasn't talking, but that smash or pass was... It was a legit smash or pass. It was Westland, so it was a bunch of Westland girls. So if y'all want to see that smash or pass,
Where that turn?
this video needs
Keep
300 views, and I need 100 likes for that smash or pass. Otherwise, you're never gonna see it. Video is crazy. It is crazy. It's gonna get him in trouble for sure.
Hell no, you can't post it.
Yeah, but if y'all want to see that smash or pass, y'all already said what needs to happen. Now we're on to Isaac's house, so I'll see you guys in a few. Ah!
And that little car go fast, and that little car goes on. That little bitch got a fat ass. Take that little bitch to the room. My niggas walking with sticks, my niggas walking with brooms. Try to take one of my chains, all you gon' hear is a boom, boom, boom.
Cereba, you straight, bro?
Yeah, bro, I'm cool.
Well, you haven't been talking this whole time.
I'm straight, bro.
You can tell us anything.
Yo, honestly, the thing is, like, do you ever make a mistake and you regret it immediately? The day I went to the barbershop, man, Mike wasn't there, so I had to get cut somehow. So I went to a different barber, bro. And honestly, as soon as I got cut, as soon as I seen the edge up, I was like, nah, this was a mistake. It was Friday night, and he wasn't there. Like, I mean, bro, it's tough out here, B. It's tough. I just wanted a fresh lineup. Where were you, Mike? Where were you when I needed you? You made me go to Jamel. What the hell is a Jamel? Mike, I'm sorry. Take me back. He killed my shit. I'm wearing a do-rag. He killed my shit. Mike. I need you, man. Mike. Listen, we can work this out. Hey, it's not what it looked like.
We cool.
Why everybody got their shit?
Bro, record. You don't know how to vlog?
I'm vlogging, my nigga. Listen, the sexiest nigga alive. You feel me? Hold on.
don't play.
Yo, I thought you said she was gone. Yo, you scared me.
We thought you were in LA.
I'm not leaving yet. I'm leaving.
Whoa, niggas thought she was gone. What? She almost gave me a crap out of me.
What's up?
Yeah,
What's up doing?
that's Amelia right there.
That's mine. Get out of my face, bro. For real. You're so.
No, let me talk.
Yeah, don't shut the fuck
Does she know Isaac's not with
Where you about to go?
I'll be back in a second. Honestly,
I should do a screenshot.
all my life I've been lost. I didn't know where to go. I was insecure, and I couldn't get any girls and stuff. But finally, one day, I put on the do-rag. You see the do-rag? The thing about the do-rag is, first, it gives you plus 10 fighting points. When you have a do-rag, look, hey, hold the camera. Plus 10 fighting points with the do-rag on. That's facts. Hey, flap. You see that flap? You see the flap? Look at the flap.
Okay,
See how big flap? Let me do one more time.
Okay.
Got my do-rag on. Y'all can't tell me nothing. Let me tell y'all about this dude. This dude right here gives you unlimited range. You want to see? Unlimited range. Unlimited range. With the dude. I said unlimited range with the dude. Like I told you, gives you unlimited range with the dude. And it'll get you any girl you want. Watch. Any girl you want. Hey, are we dating?
No, I.
Hey, see, like I told you, any girl you want. Come on, let's keep going. Hey, for your fellas out there, it's 2018. You can be gay if you want to. Come on, let me show you. Hey,
I understand. I'm sorry.
babe, you mine, right?
I know.
I told
my
you you
boy
get
is
any
not
guy
with
you
it
want.
right now.
So I'm gonna try this extra hot wing. I want to put some hot sauce on it too.
Oh,
Fat.
Spice it up.
my man.
Big fat. Nigga, you about to be.
No, man.
Big fat. Lord Jesus.
Hey, bring. I don't like spicy food. Get that in. Ooh, that's mean. I'm gonna try it. And with the powers of the do-rag invested in me, I'm gonna try this. Is y'all ready? Do I look cute?
Nigga, I answered that question.
Alright, cool. Bro, it smells crazy.
Sweet, bro, you're gonna cry.
Yo, can you give me some water ready or something? Hey, can you open me a water bottle real quick?
Uzman, you're missing out.
Sweet, but you gotta hold it in your mouth at least for 15
Uzman,
seconds.
come watch Sariba die.
No, you have to hold it in your mouth for at least 25
Yo,
seconds.
someone give me
Uzman.
Uzman. What? Can you give me a water bottle ready?
They can't get you water.
No, they're all their fingers are greasy and stuff.
Yo.
Please.
Let me help
This
you.
bro, this
Go ahead
wing
and
is
try.
Come
crazy.
watch. Give me one, too.
Uzman,
Give me one,
bro.
too. Ooze.
Don't even try.
Let me get a bunch of things.
Can you open it?
Nah, bro.
Bro, do you see his wing, bro?
It's atomic bomb, and then he added hot sauce in it. James, you should have got that pizza, bro.
Hey, it's not too late.
He about to die. Watch. Too late, bro. I'm not. It's over with.
I'm always okay with that.
Hot. He's fucked.
Hold it for 30 seconds.
Do it. I think that's the wing.
Yep.
What's the thing?
It burns. Look, and then you can't lick your fingers because it's just gonna get hotter.
Bro, that thing's strong. I'm done with that one.
Finish it.
I'm straight.
Don't lick your fingers.
He added hot sauce. Who the fuck does that?
And you see, I ate 3 of those.
I had hot sauce to my joint, bro.
It was too hot, man.
Bro, doesn't shit hurt? You start laughing, bro.
Nigga, if I would have ate that shit, I would have died.
Yo, turn off the camera, bro. Turn off the camera,
What you
nigga.
want?
Who? I don't know, but somebody's gonna fight.
Let me see if my baby hit me up. See if my baby hit me up. Bro, she ain't replied to me. Alright, so I'm home now. I'm about to go inside and I'll update you guys. So just give me a second. 1 second. Today in the hallway, actually, a lot of people came up to me and told me they watched my videos. Like, not just students, like, it was like about 4 students came and told me. So shout out to them, you know who you are. Interesting was teachers were telling me they watched my videos, which is just mind-blowing. Teachers watch my videos. Anyways, you know, today's video, I hope you guys liked it. I try to make it a little bit different. It's the 10th vlog, so it's about 11, 12 videos in. That's a milestone right there. Also, follow me on my social media. There's my Snapchat, here's Instagram, and here's Twitter. Here's my Snapchat, here's my Instagram, here's my Twitter. Follow me on all that stuff and just like spam me up, spam me, DM me, whatever. Give me ideas, I don't care. Just follow me on that stuff. Start talking to me more, because it's a small channel. So right now I can contact you very directly because I don't have a lot of traffic on right now, so we can talk a lot. Otherwise, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, follow all my social medias will be down in the description below. Shout out to my boy Shaq. Go check out his channel. He's a really funny kid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.